Lipat ka doon sa Sacred Heart Plaza, 399 lang.
Uy, mura.
Hold on, because I'm going to document this. So this is my witnesses. So the
Mura na
witnesses
yun.
only.
Cheaper na yung 399.
But I don't understand why there's trial dates. Trial dates at March.
Bakit mo pa
March
natin siya
18.
yung trial date? Ay, may hawak ka namang hard copy.
Yes,
Sa'yo
March
naman yung hard
18.
copy.
Then it says that they are against me. So the people written here, I'm videoing, interviewing if they filed the case against me, which they refused. They said no. So this is Miss Pinky. Hello, Miss Pinky.
Sorry.
Yeah, I said no. You're the witness only. This is for the witness only. Can we do that, Miss Pinky? So we're not opponent at all. So this one, because this is March 18, that is they're against me, so I'm with them. So this must be Mona Lisa Analista only. Why there's the three of us with the trial dates, prosecution?
Stop mo muna yan.